It's almost 2 hours until top of the show, top of the show, top of the show, top of the show.
So excited to be here on the opening night of Detroit's Woodward Wonderland. Is this your first time seeing Woodward Wonderland?
Oh no, I've come several years in a row. I enjoy this. Is this an annual thing for me?
Well, I used to enjoy the show, and it kind of puts me in the Christmas spirit.
Is this your very first time seeing Woodward Wonderland?
It is, and I'm excited about it.
Happy opening.
I want the sound I had downstairs.
Build the main floor and then
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Detroit Institute of Arts for opening night of Woodward Wonderland, presented by DTE Energy.
It's a wonderful show. I'll definitely come again next year.
It was wonderful. I cried.
These young people do a tremendous job.
Oh, it was so beautiful. Wonderful memories about Detroit.
I can't say how much I really, truly enjoyed the show.
Oh, it was awesome. It was really enjoyable. It took us back in time. I remember the Hudsons and the singing. The kids were phenomenal. They're so talented. I was just overwhelmed by the show itself. This is my first time coming. I recommend that every Detroiter come out and see this show. It's an amazing show. It's phenomenal, and you'll be very impressed with the children, the youth, and the artists, how they perform. It's great.
Really enjoyed the singers and the dancers were really outstanding as well. Even your parents, bring them out as well. They would really enjoy it.
I believe that this should be an annual event. Our daughter participates in this as well, so we really enjoyed it, and I'll be back, no matter if she's in it or not.
Yes, we look forward to coming and telling everybody about the show. It was fantastic. We would definitely be coming again.
The show was tremendous. The level of talent of the kids is incredible. They represent everything that's excellent about theater and Detroit, and I'm just always so impressed. This is my second time being here. I loved every part of the show, but my favorite parts are the Temptations, the music part, and I love when they talk about food and they talk about the Christmas celebration, and it's always just such a blast. I love that it's so family friendly, and I love everything about it. It is an absolute must that you bring your entire family to come see Woodward Wonderland. It is one of the best shows.
I had a little bit of an expectation because the reputation for Mosaic precedes Mosaic, right? Totally beyond my expectation. It was amazing.
The plot of the story and the show was just great. I mean, why wouldn't we come?
Oh, the show was great. It was fantastic. Kids are great. The theater was great. It was just a great performance, a lot of energy. It's a tradition for my family. We kick off the season with this every year. It's just a fabulous event. It's really great. Oh yeah, you can see it multiple times. It's a great show. The music is great. The dancing is great. The whole performance is outstanding. And it's just great to see such energy and passion with the kids, and there's support from family and friends as well.
Very first time, love the actual play. Loved it. I would recommend, I'm coming back tomorrow actually. I'll recommend everybody to come. It's worth the money. These children are very talented.
we've seen it about, 6 times, and every time we come back, it's something new and special and different.
All the grandparents, bring those kids out here to see Mosaic. We're bringing ours back.
I absolutely loved it. It was so amazing.
It was my very first time, and it was phenomenal.
I loved especially the acting in the nativity scene. I just thought it was so hilarious.
Yes, come out. I promise you would never regret it. It is amazing. The kids are filled with so much talent and gift, and everybody is on every pitch, every harmony. The dancers' feet are pointed, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful show to bring your family and your friends. Please come out.
I thought the show was amazing. I grew up in this city, and it's just beautiful. I feel truly blessed to see our kids up there entertaining us in such a beautiful way. It was absolutely amazing. This is the best way for a family to start off their Christmas season, coming down here to the Woodward Wonderland, seeing the youth, the Mosaic Youth Theater, and see these young, wonderful young people doing their thing. It's very beautiful.